Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm in the middle of making my other video, which is an ABC countdown for the first week. Today was letter E for early 2000s, and that's why I'm just like this, so sorry. But in today's video, me and Lluvia in Chicago and me preparing for Chicago. Lluvia is taking me to Chicago for her birthday, which is on Cinco de Mayo, but we're leaving tomorrow, which is Thursday. What day is it? It's April 30th, Wednesday. So tomorrow, Thursday, 31st, right? Is it 31 days in April? I think. So tomorrow, Thursday, we're leaving after school on our way to Chicago. That will be really fun. Right now, I'm just gonna clean my room and then pack. I either might get ready for dance practice or pack already. But I think some of the stuff that I wanted to wear needs to be washed, so I might do after. I don't know. Okay, so right now I'm going to get clothes for laundry. So yeah. So I'm currently taking off my pants, put on my shorts. Okay, so I now got my outfit on for practice, dance practice.
Hold on. Gotta film. Hey. I look good. Yeah, you look good. You just have a sprained wrist. Oh, yeah. Hi! Oh! What are you taking a picture of?
So I couldn't film after dance practice yesterday because I was too busy packing to go to Chicago. So it's the next day after school. My friend Lluvia is going to pick me up and we're gonna be headed to Chicago. So let's go. Hey, so this is Lluvia.
Hi guys.
And we are matching for the car ride.
These are actually Alex's.
She's borrowing my sweats.
Yep. They're so cute and comfy. They actually fit me because I think we're the same size.
Show her the Uggs.
They're black, guys. Like my soul.
And on the Crocs. You.
He's eating it up.
And we're gonna go on the car right now.
Yep.
Bye. Oh, look at Lluvia'S dog. Hey! Hey!
We're leaving now, guys.
Hey.
Okay. Well, he just broke my suitcase.
We're in the car ride.
Bruno looks so cute.
He looks scary.
No, don't diss him like that.
No, we can't take Bruno, so he has to go.
No. Bye, Bruno. Bye, Tia.
Bye, Bruno.
Bye, Bruno.
Bye, Bruno.
Wait to eat. Ketchup. My nails, guys.
We made it to our hotel. Hey, we're here.
I like the big suitcase.
I need to go diarrhea.
I said I needed to pee. Guys, guess what?
What?
Chicken butt. We
The
got treats.
hotel gave us treats. So let's open it.
I can't open it.
Me either.
Just roll.
Is it good? Wait.
Is it good?
Okay, ready?
I already ate it.
It's like different.
It's like caramel.
Yeah, like caramel. Really good. We're in the parking lot of the hotel now.
I need to pee. Oh.
Guys, we just got in a car accident.
Don't wish that.
I know you am.
You're fat.
I know.
I'm so tired.
You are?
I
Still
only slept 30 minutes. So, but I want to go swimming.
The chocolate is stuck in my tooth.
Me too. Bro, McDonald's Sprite be hitting different.
For real though. I didn't even get a drink. I got my water.
Okay, healthy.
Alright. Body tea, body tea.
Let's knock that smile back.
Goldfish.
Stay hydrated, guys.
Yeah, stay hydrated. Is that my water?
I got thirsty, guys. Guys, I look so crusty, but trust, I'm gonna get better.
Look at me.
All my makeup's off now.
I don't need no makeup. I'm too good looking.
Huh. Okay.
Guys, we parked and we're parked next to a Corvette.
Because we're rich.
We're rich, yeah. That's ours. That's actually mine. I asked someone to deliver my car to, this place. Yeah, that's my car.
Yes!
Guys, we made it. We're just getting our stuff.
I like the
We're here. It is windy, low key. This big ass building behind me. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early?
Oh my gosh, my hair. I didn't go to the gym, guys, so I can get that fat.
Get that body tea. We're walking in the hotel. I'm scared. Hey, we're here at the hotel. Everyone was wearing button-ups and I never felt so poor in my life. Damn. Y'all, we just came in our hotel. Look at this view.
Guys, this is where Alex is gonna sleep.
And when I fart, everyone's gonna smell it because of the AC. It's gonna blow it everywhere. And then y'all go night.
Oh, heck no.
Whoa. Okay guys, we just got here. Go to the pool. Okay guys, so we're going to go to the pool now. I don't know where it's at, but she does.
But we're going to the elevator right now. And from there to the pool. It's on the 16th floor, we're on the 19th, so it's not that far. Bro, everybody's so bougie here, like they have money and stuff.
I know, I feel poor.
Like, they're calling me poor, like.
Anyways.
I have mascara all under my eyes. Guys, I look so bad. Hold on. Dump my head in water. Oh.
We're gonna play, what's it called?
I don't know. You just flip. I don't know.
So you guess whatever I'm thinking of, and if it's wrong, I dunk you.
Okay,
So we're gonna do animals.
Cat. Oh God. I did. That's why I flipped you.
Oh!
Yeah.
I was saying it wrong there.
I like how Alex always looks so good, and then I just look shocked.
How do I look good?
I don't know, but.
I'm literally wet.
Oh.
Well, I'm wet. Imagine I farted in the pool.
Don't do that. Guys, I'm like this with all my friends, okay?
Oh, you see those muscles?
No.
Oh, and I'm getting muscles to look. Look!
Oh, shoot. Wait, what does it look like?
Wow.
That's how cold I am. We just got out the pool. So we both just got done showering and stuff, and we're gonna go get some snacks because we are craving snacks.
Because why not?
Right, why not? Why do I need to explain myself in the first
I want
place?
Takis, guys. I don't know why.
I want everything that they have. Okay guys, so we might be stuck in the elevator.
No, we're not.
These are other snack options. Get some ruffles. Okay, so we're buying this and what's it called? Chocolate croissant.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, we're gonna do a little mukbang.
These are $5.
$5 freaking for a bag of chips. When I could've got $10. Big ass TV.
Who is you? I'm your grandma. Lean back like you gonna do something. I just showered after the pool and I feel amazing now.
Me too.
I forgot there's people around.
We're the main character. They're just living in our story.
For real.
Cheers. The same size, right? Okay, ready?
3, 2, oh. Damn, you're big. It's good. Was it worth $4.99? How is this more cheaper than this? Look, ladies are melting. Guys, we're matching, look.
We just locked ourselves out of the room for a little bit, but it was because we forgot Lluvia'S mom's Doritos, so we're going back. Oh. We got the mama's chips. We just woke up and we're in the Uber and we're gonna get some breakfast. We just finished eating and we couldn't finish because we were really full. We went to the hotel and changed and get ready for the day.
Oh, wow.
We're back! We're getting ready.
Hopefully I don't take long because everybody's rushing me.
We are ready to go. I think we're going to Starbucks.
Yes, we're going to Starbucks. I like the view.
Your mouth is This is Lluvia'S fit.
This is from Shein, this is from Shein. This is Monster, and these are from Dream.
Hollister, H&M, and like campus. We're low-key matching. Her nails.
They go with my whole outfit. Yeah, and I curled my hair. I like it really much. And I'm finally not bummy because the whole video I've been... Oh, okay.
Hey, we outside?
We're gonna get Starbucks, so...
On my way downtown, walking fast, spaces past, I'm home now. And I need you, and I miss you.
Walk, look at walk.
We in the Uber. Made it to Starbucks. We're waiting for our drinks. Hello. Hey guys, we just got our drinks. I got cherry latte, whatever it's called.
I got a pink drink.
3, 2, 1. don't even know. But look at this if you want it.
Mine's just a venti pink drink. It's basic.
I don't really go to Starbucks, so I didn't know what to get, but this is really good.
I come to Starbucks like a lot, so I know what I like.
We don't speak of it.
Guys, this picture's so cute. I'm gonna post it on my story. Just vote. Just vote.
Guys, I hope we fit in because everyone here is so stylish. So we're going to go to the mall. The mall. Hey. Supposedly this is like a designer store. We got Louis Vuitton, we got Prada, we got what? She wants those heels. We're trying to be all aesthetic and people be looking like supermodels. Mm-hmm. We was trying to find some setting powder.
Yeah.
Yo, look at these shoes, the black ones. Lluvia said she wants to save them up for graduation for when she walks off.
Yep.
Look at all these clothes, yo.
I don't have any glasses. I found these really cute like bow jeans. No. Guys, this might be an option. I just want like some sunglasses so like when I tan the mother. Mom, ask my mom. Mom. Oh, she's busy right now. Mommy, are these ugly? They're too big? Bruh.
Lluvia likes these pants, but she doesn't know if they're too big. Hey, baddie, 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 baddie. And
Tell me, baby, do you want it?
she likes the skirt and top. Okay, so Lluvia got some things from, what's the store called? Nord's, whatever it's called. And she got a mini skirt and glasses.
Yes.
Look how high we are.
Guys, what if I just throw myself down?
Don't say that. Yeah, it's on.
So, it's my first time doing this. My brother's trying to find some Yeezys, so
Yay.
we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna go to Hollister because me and Alex want to go.
Yes, I love Hollister.
Since I got my mini skirt, I want to get like a cute like Hollister top so I can wear for my birthday. Okay, we'll see you guys in a bit.
Bye bye.
Hi.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna do some ASMR. Can y'all hear that?
Yes. We out, we out, we out.
We outside, we outside. We're the fine
outside.
papas up.
Okay guys, so we might have to go to a different mall because we don't see Hollister here because this is all like name brand.
Suavemente.
Okay guys, photo shoot.
Okay, period. Okay, why does my ass actually look kind of fat?
Hello.
Y'all just, I'm just kidding. I'm out
It's
here in
going
Miami.
down. I'm yelling timber.
I love how people are like looking at us weird, but I kind of got used to it now.
They just mad they don't have a life like this. Okay guys, we're waiting for El Uber.
Or Uber.
Fast
so.
and easy, but very expensive.
But we're not paying, so.
Exactly. So we made it into a really nice Uber. Now we're gonna go to a Hollister. Thank you. I've been over here before, and this restaurant was the first time I tried dumpling.
I'm no 300 pounds. I'm 165.
Okay, we're in Aeropostale. We got separated so we could shop. So we just got done with Hollister. I got a few things, and I lost one of my microphones, so we're gonna go back to Aeropostale to see if it's over there. If it's not, I'm gonna be so sad. Lego into the Lego. So many heads. She wants this.
Johnny, can I get one?
Lluvia'S getting a Lego flower set.
Yeah.
So yeah.
$6.94 is your fee.
We are now leaving.
I'm in pain.
Yeah, I'm in.
The only pain I want to feel, guys.
Yeah. Just vote.
Just vote.
Just vote. Hey guys, so we're done getting ready for the dinner. Well, she's still getting ready. Look at her dress. Don't we just look so good? Hey. Look at us looking fly. Yes, yes.
What are you doing? This picture was so sweet. No. You take it and then just send it to me.
Yummy. Yummy. Look at you over here in cotton candy. So happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lluvia. Hey!
We just got done eating.
We're really full, and we had cotton candy and carrot cheesecake after we ate burgers and fries.
I'm so full. I feel like my dress is about to like.
The bathrooms in there were so
so
nice.
cute.
I took pictures so my mom could like renovate our bathroom like that.
Bye.
Lluvia got her dress stained, and so we're at Walgreens trying to get the stain out with the Tide pen. It's coming out though.
It is. Look, you can barely see anything.
Right, it was like orange.
Yeah, it was really orange. Now you can really. It came in clutch, guys. Get this.
Yes.
Okay, guys. We're gonna give a haul of what I got for my birthday. I got this for my birthday, like the day of my birthday to wear. And then we got this like cute top. I don't know what is that? A bunny. It's so cute.
I almost said ribbit.
And then I got this camo.
Yay.
Top.
We're gonna go hunting.
You, not me. And then this is from I don't know the store, but Princess Polly's the brand.
Yay.
And then I got these booty shorts.
Booty.
And then I got some cute sunglasses.
They big. Big but cute.
From the Lego store. Okay. And then from the Lego store I got And then from the Lego store I got this like cute bouquet. It's new.
So I got a camo shirt from Aeropostale, whatever it's called. And it's also a camo shirt. Looks very nice on me. And then from Hollister, I got this jersey, which also looks really good on me. Because, you know, everything looks good on me nowadays. You know what I mean? No, since I was younger, since I was a baby, since I was a molecule, everything looked good on me. So, when I was an Adam, never catch me looking crusty. We don't talk about in the mornings.
I saw that in the morning.
Ooh, she woke up, she said, anyways, yeah, that's all we got. On a Tuesday, get your girl in the club on Tuesday.
I'm cold, guys. I look
It's
a mess
cold.
now. But I've looked a mess this whole time, so whatever.
We're going to Uber. I wish I caught it on camera, but we were going through those little spinny doors things where you have to push and go. She just hit her face on the glass. We're thirsty, so we're getting Sprite and a Monster.
Hello?
I'm friends with the monsters. Hello. Hello. Okay, guys, we're leaving.
Raggedy.
No, you don't. Look at my hair. My hair. But yeah, we're leaving. We're packing our stuff on the cart thingy. We're leaving. So sad. Be like, we just got at Lluvia'S house. It's like 3:20, and we're gonna have a sleepover in the living room. Yep. And we're tired.
I feel so dead. I couldn't even sleep like comfortably like in the car. I was like tossing and turning. It was horrible.
Yeah.
He didn't even try to sleep.
Yeah, I was editing all the videos.
Like literally, I would look and he was just doing that. I was like, bro.
Yeah. Bye-bye. As you could tell by my hair, I just woke up and my eyes are red because I'm so tired. But my mom is gonna be here in like, I don't know, like a minute or two. It's currently like 9:30 and I have dance practice and I have to leave, and this is the end of the trip. No! So thank you for watching today's video with me and Lluvia going to Chicago. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next video.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Wait, hold on. Make sure to like and subscribe. Don't turn on post notifications because I'm going to annoy you. And yeah, bye.
Bye, guys.
Tus caderas se aviven da calor, chulcar con las mías, de lado a lado de